Oh no! Birdie, your wing is hurt! Don't cry. Leo says, wait right there, I'll build you a ramp. Don't worry, Birdie, I have a plan. Come on, Birdie, try, try, try. You can do it, spread your wings